Sorry, I don't know what happened the last time. What is this new option? Add guest. Oh, this is crazy. I can actually add a guest. What are you doing, Happy? No, I think I'll just come live alone. Look at him. I don't know what he's doing. Now he wants to get that. Here. See. Happy. Hi. Hey, Prayag. What's happening? Happy's here. This one. He's biting this toy. He always bites this toy. Thank you. He's a small doggy. He's gonna grow up to be very big, but yeah. You love my last movie. Thank you. My last movie is my first movie. Hi, Abhay. How are you? Hope you've been having a wonderful day, all of you. I really haven't been having a wonderful day at all. Hi, Sankalp. Oh. Okay. God. Okay. Hi. 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 Khana, actually I had something at 7, so it became like a very in-between meal, so I'm not really hungry right now. Oh, thank you, Nidhi Agarwal, cute. Hi, Ashmita. Thank you. Hi, Jahir. Sing a song. Nope. Hi. Happy. He's so soft. Thank you. That's really sweet of you. I think it was awesome as well. You have good taste. Yes, of course. I love all my fan club's accounts. You all have been killing it off late, much more than me. I haven't been uploading great stuff. You all have been uploading better stuff than me. So thank you for that. Thank you. Hi, official UV. Hi, Aman. Bhatia. Hi, Deepak. Hi, Ashmita. यहाँ का temperature, I don't know, but it's very hot. It must be like 28, something like that. Hi, Ekta. My next photo shoot. I need to do a shoot soon. I actually have 1 or 2 pictures that I haven't uploaded, so that will come soon, guys. Thank you, Nidhi Agarwal. Cute. That's really sweet of you. Hi, Janelle. Oh, so sweet. You're looking forward to my second film. Me too. I can't wait to start. I love being on set. Hey, happy. Hello, Vigenteam Lenser. I hope I pronounced that right. Hi, Sandeep. Hi, Shashank. Waiting for 2.0. Yes. Hi, Sayu. Good night, Hitesh. Love you, Nidhi. Yes, I will upload it. I should upload something. I'm also traveling. I'm also traveling soon, so maybe I'll upload some stuff from there. Yeah. Mera pet dog, you want to see? He's right here. Can you see him? Happy? Wait, can they see you? They want to see you. See, he loves my laptop for some reason. Yeah, that's my pet dog. Happy. Hi, Roshan. You typed in him so many times. He's sleeping like on my laptop. Hi, Pari. Thank you. Really? Thank you. I don't feel I'm looking very good today. I've been at home all day today. I haven't had a productive day at all. But it's okay. I gave myself this one day. From tomorrow's pretty hectic. Hi Somu. Where am I going? I'm going to be going for a fashion show and I have an event tomorrow. So actually I will be posting stuff. Hi Ashik. Thank you. That's really sweet of you. Should I feel like today's session is not that good. Pickup lines. What are these pickup lines you asked me about? I really don't know. Tell me something here. I'll tell you how it is. Hi Prakar. Thank you. I love you guys too. You are so sweet. I should have come live before. At least my day would have come better. Thank you, Tiger Nidhi XOX. I love Adele. Yes, I do love Adele. I think she's got like the strongest voice. Thank you. Yes, definitely, Nidhi Indian FC. For sure. Should I go live from there? Okay, maybe I will. It'll be good fun. Bad hair day. Guys, you think I'm having a bad hair day? I actually don't think so. I think I'm having a pretty good hair day today. I mean, I've had bad hair days, but I don't think today is one of them. Your number doesn't come because I don't meet you. You meet me, I'll take one with you also. Thank you. Thanks, guys. So sweet of you. Oh God. I love being your favorite. Thank you for that. Yes, I do see all the edited pictures and the memes and the videos, and it's too sweet. Glittery. Thanks, yeah. So mean. Why is everyone saying mean stuff about my hair today? I actually think my hair is looking pretty good. Yeah. Thank you, Sony. Yes, you guys have told me to upload a picture every day. I really need to. I really need to. Just today, excuse me, because I've just been. Yeah, so not today. It's not that I only reply to FCs, but I think that the least I can do is reply to them and everybody else who's been following me. Thank you so much. I hope I can entertain y'all and give y'all this great content that y'all like watching, enjoy watching, maybe sometimes pick up something from. So yeah, that's my aim. But I do love all of you. I go through my comments, my messages and all. I do that a lot since I handle my Instagram myself. So thank you for your support, Astha17. Thank you. Thank you, Satyajit, MRSR Patel, Nidhi Indian FC. Thank you. Good night. I hope your day was good. Which is a new movie I'm doing, Sabyasachi, and then after that, I'll tell you soon. Arso, you haven't completed the sentence. Sorry, what was that? I missed it. Prikharsh. Happy's right here. One time, मेरा नाम निकुंज. Hi Nikunj. Hey, hi Sharik. We will shoot whenever you're free. You are the busy man, so whenever you're free, we'll work. My worst critic. Oh man, there are many. It really hurt me initially. Obviously, it's not the best feeling in the world to hear bad things about yourself. But I think after like a day or 2 or 3, you sort of start absorbing it and you turn it around and you get this energy and this vengeance where you just want to prove them wrong. And yeah, quite a few, but there are lots of worse critics. Bangalore, oh, that's great. Axon Tejas, thank you. Zavadun, Mr. Anpatel Shehenshah. You know, I have to say something. A lot of times I've seen my live session after I've posted it, and for some reason, the comments, not all of them come when I'm chatting with you guys. Sometimes I read different comments when, you know, I see it the second time or the third time. So yeah, you guys, like, if I'm not replying to some of y'all, it's not that because I don't want to, it's just because I can't see it. I have no interest in horror movies at all because I get very scared. I'm very scared to live alone. I live alone with a lot of difficulty. I know what goes through my head every night, but I have no interest in horror films. I really can't. My experience of Munna Michael was amazing. Everything that I have today is because of that. All the movies that I'm getting are because of that. So yeah, amazing experience. Couldn't have asked for something better. What was the other question? I read something. Let me answer that. How many boys did I slap in my school? Quite a few. Quite a few. I really did. I think I was a very violent child, and it's not good to be that violent. Even now, I have a punching bag in my room, and whenever I get really angry, I just like wear my gloves and keep punching. Yeah. How's my wisdom tooth? It's better, but it's still there a little bit. There's a little bit swelling and there's a little bit of that pain left. So I hope it's completely okay tomorrow. Like, I think in 2 days it should be completely fine. Thank you for asking. Thank you so much for asking me. Hi Mihir. Nidhi Agarwal FC, Asmita. Hi Asmita. My toughest day was my first day by far of shoot, which is Sheikh Kara, the beginning of that song. Very, very. What the hell? Ha, okay. It's back. So, my next Bollywood movie, I'll announce it in November. I'll start shooting in Jan. So, yes. I'm good. How are you guys? Sorry it got paused for some reason. It said poor network. But I'm connected to Wi-Fi. One thing I regret while shooting for Munna Michael, yes, I regret not practicing my first dance in costume and heels. I regret that. That's very important, and I should have done that. And that's a very big learning that I've taken back to. If you're going to perform a song, you need to rehearse in the shoes that you're going to wear and the costume that you're going to wear. You have to do that. That's probably the worst thing that I did. I'm Nidhi Agarwal. Hello. Hi Kushal, Behel, Mukul, hi. Okay, forget it. With who do I want to work in my Bollywood movie? Everyone. You know, I have a list of directors who I really want to work with. I don't think that I'm at a stage now where I can exit and choose my actors, but all of them are very good. You know, if they're working, if they're getting films, if they have so many fans, a lot of hard work goes into it, and I'm sure they're all good in their own right. So yes, everyone is different. Hi Danish. Hey Sonakshi, Hori, when are you meeting me and giving me that lovely outfit that I had liked for Diwali? I should wear it soon. I hope something comes up soon, like something Indian-y comes up soon. I'll definitely wear it. I love Sonakshi's clothes. Sorry, my eyes are shutting, I think, a little bit. Tanvar, Navan Tanvar, I hope I pronounced it right. Hi, when will I come to Delhi? Next stop Goa, and then Pune. Sorry, no Delhi right now. Motivational. Okay. Let me think. To come up with something. No matter how tough your day's been, wake up and show up. Yes, that's something I should have thought of doing today. But yes, you must do that. Hi Vivek. Ludhiana, I would love to. Interior, like, are you asking me about the interior of my house or do I like interior? I actually do, but my taste is very different. I don't like very done up spaces. I like open spaces. Mayur, if I don't know you, I don't know how you got my number, but I'm not going to reply because I do get a lot of messages on WhatsApp, and if someone texts me too much, I just block them. But I usually don't reply because maybe I don't know you. But to the people I know, of course I reply to them. But yeah, what was I saying? I've forgotten. Hi Nidhi Agarwal too. When can I come to Indore and Bhopal? Call me there, I'll come. Hi Shubham. Thank you. I like your eyes. कुछ शूटिंग वूटिंग नहीं है आपसे भी अच्छी है आपकी eyes. Is that a compliment or is that an insult? I don't know. Nidhi Agarwal, hi. Navan Talwar official, hi. Who is my crush? Who's my crush? Who's my crush? That's a great question. With a very complicated answer. I don't know. Very cute. Thank you. Thank you. That's so sweet of you. I do think so. I think I'm the sweetest girl in the world. No one understands that. 10, 12. Oh, I'll tell you. So in my 10th, I got 84%. In my 12th, I got 86%. And this is ICSE and ISC board. And my college GPA was 3.414, which is like about 88 to 90%, I think. But yeah, 3.414, I know that probably. So yeah, my marks were pretty good for how much I studied because I really did not. I just watched TV the full holidays that we got to study before 10th and 12th. But I think this last minute studying has like really helped me. Salman, of course, I would love to. He's like the biggest star. I'm not lying. I will post my marks. I'm very proud of my marks because that was the result of studying for like maybe 2 days or 1 day before every exam. That was not staying up nights and waking up early and studying. That was like studying maybe 4 hours a day with lots of breaks. Me and my best friend Chandana, who I hope she comes live, we used to always coordinate and study, and we used to just like speak on the phone and laugh for hours. Change your profile picture. Okay, I should. I never really even thought about it. I set it long back and it's just there. Maybe I will. But I like that picture. I like Indian stuff. Please say my name. Hi Anmol. Is this the Anmol who was in my college? Hi Anuj. Hi Samaksh. Yeah. Yes, of course. Low battery. Okay. Lions always kings. I agree with you. I'm a Leo. Hi Nidhi Agarwal FC. Anuj. So Anuj handles this FC. My favorite fan. That's like I cannot choose. Everyone who takes out a moment in their day to say something, post something, or anything, I think is, someone that I would love to just give like a tight hug to. Yeah. Hi. I can't understand what this is. Stunning Naman. That's none of your business. I can't see anything. You were in the what? Oh, that's like a huge compliment, Nidhi Agarwal fan page. So sweet. Favorite fan? No, all. I really cannot because all of y'all are different. I think all of y'all come with your own style of posting, which I love. And you don't choose between like your friends and your loved ones. So I'm not going to choose. I love all. Should I save it? I really don't think I'm really looking like up to the mark today because I'm really not feeling it. Yeah. My favorite place in India, home. Bangalore's my favorite place in India. Bombay is slowly becoming home. Hi Saurabh. Hi Alina. Good night, sweet dreams. Pick up lines. Okay, I'll do that. Which is my favorite car? I don't know, but someday I want to own a red open top sports car. Yeah, I mean it's very cliche, but you've seen that all along. It looks really cool. So yes, Shahid, what Sahid 87? Yes, I will. Hyderabad is a very special place because my mom's entire family is there and I've been going there since the time I was born for like my summer holidays. So I like Hyderabad a lot. It's a very special place and I love the idli over there. It's very tasty. I'm not watching Big Boss. No, I actually used to watch Big Boss, but this time I haven't watched even like 1 minute of it. Ferrari. Yeah, but I want to buy it myself. Yes, Rakesh. Can you tell? Nidhi Agarwal 2, Nidhi Agarwal 2, Nidhi Agarwal 2. I've said your fan page's name 3 times. Are you lean all your life? Actually, no. I used to be quite chubby till I think ninth grade, not quite, a little bit chubby. And I have this friend of mine who still makes a lot of fun of me because I used to be so chubby. Yeah. Thank you. My nickname is Nini, Nini. It's a bit funny, but what to do now? That's my nickname. I can't change it. But also my name is quite short. So what else could you call it? Yeah. Kizar, is that your name? Mehek Shukla. Hi Mehek. My nickname is Nini, Nini. Hi Vishal. Yes. Danish something. Ouch. 1 second. 1 second, guys. I just need to drink this green tea. Oh god. 1 minute. Shit. You guys weren't supposed to see that, but it's fine now that you did. Okay. Oh shit, this is hot. Raipur. I hope soon. My favorite color is red and white. Yeah. This angle's not good. Red and white. Okay. Whose name? Sorry. Your favorite restaurant in Bangalore? Sunny's. I love Sunny's. Why not fair? I am saying whosever name I'm seeing. Sorry, I wasn't concentrating the last 1 minute. You're Prayag. Hi Prayag. How are you? Favorite book? What is my favorite book? I'm not a reader, I don't really read books, but every time I'm at the airport, I pick up like a book, any book that I find interesting. It can be the most random book, and I read it like on the flight and I finish it. So the problem is that I don't have patience, because for me, if I've started reading a book, I want to finish it right then. Like I can't wait to get to the end. So I read a lot of random. Hi Ashi, how are you? Are you coming to Hyderabad this month end? I hope you're having fun in London, but not too much fun, and also studying. टाइगर को बुलाओ क्या? बुलाओ टाइगर और वरुण, both. Give me a mobile number. No. Nini, have some Nini. I really do. I slept really less last night. I must have slept for like 4 hours. Yeah. Okay, Nidhi Flab. I won't delete it. I'm good. Sam27AO. Are you crazy? Favorite cricketer Virat Kohli. Thank you. You watch my movie every day. That's really sweet. I watch it very often as well. Um, yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's really sweet. Say my name, Abhi. Hi, Abhi. How are you? I hope your day's been pretty good. Hi, Tanmay. Dipesh. Nidhi News, tell me your name. I'll say it. I will. Also, tell me if you guys know what is this new option of this double live thing. Like, what is that? Also, there are some new emoticons. Did you ever think that you would come to? I actually always did. Pretty stupidly, I did. But I also knew that some magic needs. Oh shit. Some magic needs to happen for it to happen. Sorry guys, I've completely ruined this. God, what am I doing? But it did. This is quite nice. I like this. I like the rainbow. My next film, ma'am. Ding Dang song. Thank you. I love Ding Dang. It's something that everyone knows me by. So Ding Dang is it then. Ma'am. Oh. Okay. So how do you use it? But I need to wait for another friend to come on live. Oh, like that. That's interesting. This is new. Okay, I'll just go to normal mode now. Yeah, okay. How do I? Yeah. Something has happened now. What is this? Only 10% battery. Okay. Thank you. That's really sweet of you. Thank you. Please say my name. Vidhu. Hi. Where did I learn to dance? So I used to go to Shona D Academy in Bangalore. She's a very, very good and very sweet ballet teacher. I went to her for about maybe 7 years, 7 or 8, little more than 7 only. Very sweet. My sister goes there now and she's very sweet and very nice. Something's wrong with my phone. Hi Vishwa. Thank you. I love coming live. I think today I came live because I wanted to feel good. Thanks. Something's really up with my camera. Better. Actually, no, not really. Okay, something. Can you say hi to me? Hi Hitesh from London. My native, as in where I'm from, Bangalore. Okay, I think my live is stuck and I also have to go now. So good night guys, my battery is low, plus I don't know what's happened to this camera. So good night, love you guys.